How do you remove watermark from your video in CapCut? So first I've imported my video, which contains a sample watermark that I've made. And now you will need to open up your video in a media player. So for example, you can open up your video here, make it full screen and pause it at the beginning and press F11 to make it full screen and take a screenshot of the entire video. You can use the snip and sketch tool from Windows. Now, once you save the image, you can open the image up and potentially use Photoshop or free tools to basically remove the background or the watermark text that you've added or you had on your old videos. And once it's gone, you can save the image back to your desktop and then import it to your CapCut project. And once it's imported, you want to basically drag it on the timeline and place it on top of the video and make sure its length matches the video length. Now select the screenshot and then go to video panel on the right side here and then go to mask, click on add mask and adjust the mask size to match your watermark text. And once you've placed over the text right here, you can basically try to play your video and you should see that it masked the watermark text that you've added. And keep in mind that this works if your watermark text is placed on the corners of the screen and there is no significant movement in the video behind the text. Otherwise, you might need to crop your video to basically exclude the watermark if it's in the corners. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.